everyone, today we're going to play Blast Off Simulator. And I've never played this game before. So let's get into it. It's loading. We just go upload. But, smash that like button and subscribe. And, I hope you're having a happy weekend. And, yeah, I'll maybe make a video tomorrow. Anyways, and join the Rosie Squad today and use star code Rosie when using Robux. It really helps me out, guys. Alright, we're in. Hi, do you want to see how to play? Yeah, let's see how to play, guys. Okay. Flying. Claim launch pad by walking on the yellow claim circle. 2. Rocket fuel collection. Walk to the fuel, click your fuel scoop, then either click, hold the mouse, or press the button on screen to collect fuel. 3. Wait, this is 3A. It's 3. Hold on. 3A, 3B, I don't know. Put the collected fuel in your pad's fuel processor. Then you transfer fuel to your rocket and you can now launch. Then you have enough fuel to click the launch button, and more fuel you add, the higher you go and the more cash you earn. When your rocket has run out of fuel, you will be paid the cash. You can click the reset button on the launch section to bring your rocket back to your launch pad. Spend the cash in your shops. You can buy better rockets and backpacks, fuel scoops, and stuff with gems. And you ride a rocket to the islands where you can claim bonus from a prize chest. Alright, let's play. My thing's a laggy today. Where is mine? Did I get one? Oh my god. Okay, let's claim this one. Tag claim. Okay. So you got this thing. Fuel storage. We have to collect. Okay, how do I? Okay, here's the thing. Click here to collect fuel. Then you just go. Oh, so you have to. There we go. Okay, get fuel. Okay, collect the fuel. This game's kind of cool. Okay, we got 3 more to go. Oh no, I'm lagging. Because the person's running slow. See? Where am I disconnected? Okay, backpack's full. Let's go over to our base and go to the machine. What the heck happened? What was that? I had no idea. What? This is mine though. Oh, I'm over here. I'm so stupid. Pop your store empty. Collect fuel. I did. Oh, you did that. Okay. So what do we do? To cancel target attitude. Activate dark matter objector. Eject dark matter core. Why can't we launch it? That's my question. Okay. Why can't we launch our thing? Secure? What's this button do? What does it do? Doing something. What? Update 4. Okay. My base is protected. Ow! How do we launch? I did! I transferred! Yay! Okay, let's go get more then. Okay, that was... Okay, we just gotta... So, guys, it looks like we just sit here. That guy's so high. Let's see what he got. Oh my gosh. If I put meat in, oh my gosh, he's a captain. Yep. Wait, what's his name? No, it's not him. It's not him. Is him? Oh my goodness, I'm out. Peace out. Okay, let's go over here. Into ours. Okay, so now it looks like we transfer to a rocket like this. There. Now! Oh, I get it now.
10, 9, 8,
okay, let's see.
7,
See if we can get up here.
6, 5,
Alright. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh, please let me jump. Ah! Okay. Get back over here. What? How did we get it down again? Oh. Okay, reset. Okay. Point. Okay. Every time we jump, it makes a sound. Oh, because we could jump twice. Oh, I didn't know that. Then I would have done it. Oh, I'm better this one. Wait, what's this one? 500. Hector, no. There we go. Now we got a better one. Wait, how do we get a better backpack? Oh, it's right here. Okay, this one's... Buy this one. It's this one then. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we got this thing. And we got this. Okay, collect. Collect. Yes, fuel. Okay, well, guys, this game's awesome. Collect. And we shall launch our rocket. So it looks like we step on this, transfer to that. See, we transfer. It's so annoying. Oh, click it. Sorry, I had hiccups. Okay. We got 75. Maybe we should try to do 200. Wait, I want to do something.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4.
What the? What's this? What's this? It's sold the Dutch face. I was just playing around. Okay. Oh, maybe we should go to rocket ship. Whatever it is. Ooh, look at that one. A lot of people have this one. That one. Which one's size? This one for real? Okay. Well, I'm gonna save up for this one. This one looks cool. But this one has more speed, and I think it has more cash. And it has 50, and the rest is 500, which is 200 more than this one. Anyways, I'm gonna get this one, and then, yeah. Okay, well, we should probably get more fuel. Oh, it's lagging right there. You see? Let's fuel, lady. What the heck is that thing? It's just sucking up all the fuel. Look. Clear spot. Oh god, look at that. Wait, I want all of these. Can I put one? I want one. I want one. My backpack full. Okay, let's go transfer fuel. Okay, let's transfer more. Okay, guys. Alright, there we go. And I guess we can start the thing. Let's just get on. Oh look, it's me. It's me. It's me. It's my face. Let's watch.
10, 9,
Hey.
8,
Okay.
7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, let's see if we can get this. We did it! Guys, we did it! Oh, we need to go up there now. Oh. Ah, man! We have to go right there, jump right there. Ah! We did it though. Good job. We did a good job though. We got 310. Maybe we should go buy a rocket. That's not it. Backpack. Wait, no. Rocket. Excuse me, man. Call man. This would be down with that, but we're gonna buy this one. Okay, buy it. Where is our? Oh, there it is. What did this guy do? His is gone. I don't even see his rocket ship. Oh, forgot another thing. Anyways, so yeah, did good. But can I stay on the rocket? Oh yeah, let's add the 5 boosters. Okay, take boosters. No, I fell out of the world! Seriously? Oh, that was me. I would, not right now, because we already know how. What's in the gem shop? Oh, you buy cash boosters. What's the most expensive? This one. Oh my gosh. That thing's like, whoa. I believe this guy does have it though. Yeah. Wow. Wait, how do we get that stuff? I want that stuff, but I don't have it. Why not? Oh, maybe because the islands they've been to. Oh, okay. Well, that makes more sense. But guys, if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button and hit the subscribe button to help me out, guys. And use star code Rosie when using Robux and join the Rosie Squad today. And turn on notifications if you want to see more videos just like this. And, well, bye my roses. Rosie signing off. Bye!